for anybody to give impression to outside world that Ilaje, as it is, we are bad people and wicked. We are not wicked. We are not wicked at all. We have been living peacefully with Ogun State, even better. So for anybody to say Ilaje is wicked, Ilaje is bad, it's very, very appalling. Like what Remi Aluko said, which he was trying to paint Ilaje as a race, as bad race, and that we are not good, we are not accommodative. We are not at all. That impression must be corrected. That impression must be erased from the minds of our people, of anybody. And let me also say that if anybody doesn't, if you don't know us, you better come to Ilaje and study our people. I want to thank God for our son, Ilaje Sheniyan, has pronounced Ilaje Sheniyan. The way he has started, he started well, and we need to encourage him to go ahead. And he's receiving our blessing, and we are ready to give our blessing to him in terms of support, moral support, physical support, and financial support, so that he can grow. We want him to grow like Sonny Ade, Ebenezer Obey, and so on and so forth. And I just started. Sky is your limit. Ilaje Sheniyan, go ahead, go on. God will see you.
The vision long held by the great prophets of Ilaje land, Most Reverend Atari Oye Adibade Ogufeyimi, Most Reverend Theophilus Ereju Amafo, King of Zion, Atore Oke Wamimo, Oba Alafia Kudenbu, Etan, Oba Etan. Their visions are coming to reality. They have had this vision of a greater Ilaje nation, a land flowing with opportunities, a land flowing with milk and honey, a land blessed by God for the good living of the people, a land specially blessed by the Almighty to yield its fruits at the appropriate time for the benefit and the betterment of the Ilaje people. The Ilaje people are enterprising, forward-looking, and they have irrepressible spirit. They never say that spirit when it comes to making progress, moving forward to do things that will make Ilaje land a better place for all the citizens. Go Ilaje yẹn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí o. Ògo yẹn ti mú láti fàánà lọ Ilaje. Ògo yẹn ti mú títì mọ́tò ó ti ń gbé lọ Ilaje. Ògo yẹn ti mú omi ó ti mú lọ Ilaje. Ògo yẹn ti gbé free trade zone wá. Olókoòlà free trade zone ògo yẹn ti gbé wá o. Ó ti ra ní etí èkún Ilaje wa yìí. Ní àhẹ́rì ìrànwọ́ àárọ̀ mi lọ títí la tó àgọ́bìnibóyè ògo máa yẹrẹ amíwòye ní o. Ọlọ́run kẹ̀yà jí ògo yìí ìsojú ẹ̀mí délé wa o.
Ilaje as a tribe among the Yoruba-speaking languages in Nigeria is very, very unique. Ilaje occupies the longest coastline of Nigeria, and Ilaje local government is the one that makes Ondo State to become one of the members of the oil producing state in Nigeria today. Ilaje people, they are very, very intelligent, well educated, and well informed set of people. We are very unique in behavior, in everything we do. We are a very unique set of people. You see, it is a surprise when some people say that Ilaje people, when they continue to call us all sorts of names and try to assassinate our characters. Like I said, Ilaje has produced so many eminent people in this country today. If you go to the national level, you will see Elijah men. As we are talking, we have Elijah in the Senate. Among the senior civil servants in the National Assembly today, we have well-respectable and eminent Elijah person there. If you go down memory lane, you will see that Elijah is the most peaceful state in the Niger Delta. We believe that dialogue is the best way of resolving any crisis. So the case of kidnapping, adoption, sea pirate that is very rampant in the Niger Delta is not common here in Elijah land.
Mo pé orin yìí jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ wa mi kọ bá ra àwọn ọmọ wa jẹ́ kó mi kọrin ẹjẹ́ àwa ṣe ọmọ àlàjẹ Ọlọ́run bá ṣe ohun díẹ̀ díẹ̀ yálẹ̀ ká gbé hàngà lákàrà àwọn ọwọ́ sódà jẹ́ lè kọrin yẹn dáadáa. So mo rí pé orin yìí èyí Rẹ̀mí Àlùkòlá kọ ló fi bú Ìlàjẹ ó jẹ́ orin bú púpọ̀ torí pé Ìlàjẹ race Ìlàjẹ sí èsì ẹyọ ọ̀nà kan so péré ó pọ̀ kí Ìlàjẹ bó ṣe ra ọjọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ka kọrin yìí ká bú dédé Ìlàjẹ mọ̀ ẹ́ sẹ́ pé bí Ìlàjẹ sẹ́ náà tọ̀ ní ẹ̀ ń burúkú pọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀rin yà pé èèyàn bá ẹjẹ́ èèyàn kọ ló yẹ yá ká kọrin àti ká gbé ìlú náà garin ká gbé ìlú náà báyà náà ga ẹ̀sẹ̀ pé yá ká bú èrò ní ìrìn kíkọ. So irọ́ máa wà ẹ̀jẹ̀ pé ó kọrin Ìlàjẹ ṣèyàn yìí ó ṣe púpọ̀ ó ṣe dára púpọ̀ ó dẹ̀ ẹja kọ́wọ́ tì yìí lè ná ìgbéga ní orin tó ń Ọlọ́run fi dá wọn láre yẹn ọgbọ́n Ọlọ́run yẹ̀ ti dá wọn láre bí ọwọ́ rẹ̀ bá tó àti lè ṣerun yẹn àwọn àyẹ́sọ́ máa Ìlàjẹ pé yá lè kọ́wọ́ tì yí kíní èyí lè ṣe sẹ́yìn àṣeyọrí. So ìyẹn jẹ́rùn jẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ gbà àwọn àyẹ́sọ́ máa Ìlàjẹ ìyànjú àti ṣe.
Well, I don't know Rẹ̀mí Àlùkò, but I know he's a bloody person. If he's aware about Elijah race, he will understand that when you talk of Yorubas, you are talking of Elijahs. So, and we have the resources in which we are using to feed the whole of this nation. So I don't know where just an animal could get that ugly statement. So I want to believe he's a bastard for him to have used that kind of statement.
Elijah the proud of our nation, but why some people they talk anyhow? We better stop it now, bad boy. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Kala lè fọ́ bàrẹ̀ mẹ́tọ́ fẹ́ gbọ́mọ jìdìjì gbé. Elijah Kala lè fọ́ bàrẹ̀ mẹ́tọ́ fẹ́ gbọ́mọ jìdìjì gbé. Wà lọ́dẹ̀ wá á epo ga yẹ ẹja ga á owó ga á epo ga á omi ga láfi mi bọ́ ga ndèrè Yorùbá yẹ Nàìjíríà nana Áfíríkà nwóde wá fọ pé Elijah Kala Rẹ̀mí tó lukó aláìmọ́re olówó líla ẹlẹ́rù líla alágbèjẹ́sà omugboyo ni ngodo London kọ́pẹ́ ṣe nìyàn iná Canada adé ṣe nìyàn Báyọ̀ Àyàdí omi ṣe nìyàn Bámijókòó Kelly omi ṣe nìyàn Ṣìfẹ̀tì mẹ́ta omi ṣe nìyàn Aṣẹ́múdàrà omi ṣe nìyàn Dúrẹ́bí Fẹ́mi omi ṣe nìyàn Súrọ́sádébé omi ṣe nìyàn Bóṣì gbogbo ọ̀la omi ṣe nìyàn Ẹlẹ́tọ̀ Ìsìgbà omi ṣe nìyàn Rúdàfẹ́nọ́miyé omi ṣe nìyàn. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Ọ̀bọ̀ yà lọ lọ́bọ̀ yìí kọjá bí mo rẹ̀ níbẹ̀ afọ Elijah Kala mo rẹ̀ níbẹ̀ afọ Elijah Kala mo fúnṣẹ́ lọ torí mo fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ afọ ìlú èyí mo ti wá mo fọlá jẹ òun mo ti wá afámúsẹ́hùn mi torí Elijah Kala kiri Elijah ṣe olówó líla kiri Elijah ṣe àwọn tìǹnà wetin Elijah do olówó líla wetin Elijah do àwọn tìǹnà kiri Elijah ṣe àwọn tìǹnà. Elijah Canada one now before. I say no Elijah Shemion. Elijah Canada one now before. ṣènìyàn. Ìlàjẹ Canada wọn náà before. Láìsẹ̀nà ìlàjẹ ṣènìyàn. Ìlàjẹ Canada wọn náà before. Láìsẹ̀nà ìlàjẹ ṣènìyàn. Ìlàjẹ Canada lè fọ́ balẹ̀ mẹ́tọ́ fẹ́ gbọ́n máa jìdìjì gbé. Ìlàjẹ Canada lè fọ́ balẹ̀ mẹ́tọ́ fẹ́ gbọ́n máa jìdìjì gbé. Ìwà lọ́lẹ̀ wá hàn Ìgbò ga hàn Haúsá ga hàn Kàlàbá ga hàn Ìrògbò ga yẹn dédé Yorùbá Nàìjíríà àmì sísẹ́ yẹn ìbọn ẹ̀bí yẹn lálá ìfarapa. Wọ́n dẹ́ wá fọ pé Ìlàjẹ Canada Rẹ̀mí tó lukó aláìmọ́re olówó lílá ẹlẹ́rù lílá alágbèjẹ́sà òmùgbóyò ni gbòtò Ìbàdàn kí n tán ṣe ènìyàn. Okòlájì bá wọn yọba ti ṣe ènìyàn. Ṣọlá òkè omi ṣe ènìyàn. Aṣíwájú lọ́fíìn Ìlàjẹ land. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Adéwálé Ọmọjúwà. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Adétolúgbọ́ fún Ìgbò land. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Ṣífù òdodo. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Ṣìbàrúwà. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Jọ̀lọ́lá máa fọ. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Gọ́dé Júbà. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Ayé òpá rẹ̀. Omi ṣe ènìyàn. Ìlàjẹ Canada wọn náà before. Láìsẹ̀nà ìlàjẹ ṣènìyàn. 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 Who dey jam talk wọn ṣènìyàn ṣe gbọ́. Ìlàjẹ Ọ̀kálá ọ̀tá ló sọ sọkúsọ o. Rẹ̀mí Alukoro ní sọkúsọ. Never let anyone try push you down. Má ṣe jẹ́ kẹ́nibọ́dí turn your people wrong. Ìlàjẹ for real na tell you big on see. Never mind town wey dey sing wey no get any meaning. Rẹ̀mí Alukoro no dey shame me don't forget him beginning. Fún ebúté mẹ́ta yín dey sing like dey give am food money. Rẹ̀mí Alukoro ní sọkúsọ o. Ìlàjẹ Canada wọn náà before. Láìsẹ̀nà ìlàjẹ ṣènìyàn. 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 Ìlàjẹ Canada wọn náà before. Láìsẹ̀nà ìlàjẹ ṣènìyàn.
Yes, respect to you, Austin Omogbemi, Father, Prophet Ajairawa, respect. And to the one them call Bamijoko Kelly, Shaman, Bako Global Marine Service, Olenuga. Yes, me big brother, Folaji Muda, respect. And to you, Atimbi Kule, respect. Miki Jaga, DYC General, Gaddafi, respect. Guama Boys, Shifawaloye, Miranic Music. All together we are going to defend Ìlàjẹ Fury. Let's stop talking anyhow. Ìlàjẹ ṣènìyàn for real.